So, single truck total 371 horsepower, 854. The longest chassis with a cargo box. Total number 7. A-grade refurbishment. The new water tank, new intercooler, the AC radiator, the driver seat inside the cabin, new roof, new floor, new seat, new bed, new dash, engine fully refurbished, new tire, new rim, 12R, 22.5, new silencer, new fuel tank. Backside, this is the backside. This side, new tires, new air reservoir, new battery, new toolbox, new tire. The other side of the engine, 371 horsepower. The passenger seat, passenger side of the cabin, inside only. Okay. Okay. This is a single truck Volvo 854 cargo truck, the longest chassis, 371 horsepower.